everyone, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to be doing a deep clean of my master bedroom and kind of doing a spring clean of this room. I'm going to take care of a few things that don't get done on a day-to-day basis, so if you need a little deep cleaning or spring cleaning motivation, then keep on watching. Really quickly, I wanted to give you guys an update on how we're liking our Lull mattress. About a month ago, I posted a video of us unboxing it. So if you missed that video, go check that out really quick. And I'm going to give you guys an update after we have been using it for about a month and a half. So a little recap: comes sent directly to your door. It comes in a teeny tiny box. You cut open the plastic, it unfolds and then expands into a full-size mattress. It's memory foam, which is so much better for you than a regular mattress because it supports all the parts of your body that need support. When we got it, we thought that it was a little bit on the firm side because we were used to having a very squishy mattress. One of the major problems with our squishy mattress was that we both ended up sinking in the middle, and I hated that. But we do not have that issue with our Lull. We've been sleeping on it for a month and a half, and even after sleeping on it for a month and a half and kind of making each side our own, we still don't sink to the middle. Also, if you didn't already know this, I am pregnant, and I think that this mattress is going to play a huge role in my pregnancy. With my last pregnancy and our old mattress, I had to stuff all kinds of pillows under my belly, but this go around, I think that this mattress is going to be so nice. I'm going to have the support whichever way I am facing. And I think because it is such a supportive bed, I won't have to use nearly as many pillows to prop under my belly. 3 things that I absolutely love about this company is they offer free shipping. Also, they offer a 100-night trial. If you decide that you for some reason don't like your Lull, they will do free returns for you. So go ahead, check out the link that I have below. If you decide you want to get a Lull, I have a $50 off coupon for you. Alright, let's get back to cleaning my master bedroom. I like to change out my sheets about once a week. I have several sets of sheets. These white ones are obviously my favorite because they match my room and my bedding. But it's nice to have at least 2 sets of sheets. That way you don't have to wait for your sheets to be washed. It's not an all-day process. You can just go ahead and switch out your sets of sheets and make up your bed, and you're ready for the night. Now I'm going to clean my ceiling fan. This is not something I do on a regular basis, but it is a good thing to keep on top of. That way when you do go to clean it, you don't have a ton to clean and it takes you forever. So if you kind of remember to do this on a regular basis, like I do not, then you just will have less work for you to do in the long run. But here's a little tip for you. If you use a pillowcase and slide it over each of the fan blades, it'll catch the dust and keep it from falling all over your bed. I'm using my favorite Grove Collaborative microfiber cloths to do some dusting. These are good quality cloths. I have some cheaper ones that I got from Walmart that I use for more of the dirty jobs, but for dusting, I love these Grove Collaborative ones, and the color is just so dang cute. And then if you see this pretty little spray bottle that I am using with my all-purpose spray in it, I also got that from Grove, and I just think it's such a gorgeous color, and it just makes cleaning a little bit more fun when you use pretty products. Moving on, I am going to dust my blinds. Again, this is not something I do all of the time. I kind of hate this chore, but it is something that you should keep on top of. Basically what I'm doing is I'm turning the blinds one way and wiping them down with a dry microfiber cloth. They weren't super dusty just because we haven't been in this place for a very long time. But yeah, so I use a dry microfiber cloth and just go ahead and give them a good wipe down.
Searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds jumping and I hear my name. Grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make us.
Now I'm going to be cleaning my windowsills. This is another one of those tasks that I just don't do on a day-to-day basis. I kind of forget about them, but this catches a lot of bugs and dust and dirt, and it's a good idea to keep these wiped down. I'm just using a microfiber cloth and some all-purpose spray.
Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah.
We have a couple areas in our home that collect our clutter. This is all stuff that needed to be filed away, and we kind of just set it here and forgot about it. So I'm going to go through and pick out some of the trash, and then you'll see me moving it all to the bed. I moved it to the bed, and then off camera I went ahead and filed it all away.
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk.
For the TV, I'm just using a dry microfiber cloth. It does the trick for getting off any kind of fingerprints and basic dust that collects on TVs. And then I'm going in with the same multi-purpose spray to dust off the dresser. I don't really have this area decorated. I just had a few knickknacks just lying around, and so I kind of added it just to give myself a little bit of put-togetherness. Emmy woke up from her nap, so she will be joining us for the rest of this video, and she was wild. I don't know what had gotten into her. She was feeling her oats.
Lightning strikes by my window. It's my chest.
In the closet, those are fishing poles because we do live in a coastal town, and this was the only place that we could think of right now to store our fishing poles. So yeah, they're in my closet. Are you guys ready to see the most satisfying vacuum lines. Yes, look at those. They're so pretty. Why is that so dang satisfying to see vacuum lines? Lastly, I'm going to be cleaning this mirror with my Method glass and surface cleaner. This mirror gets so dirty because Emmy likes to sit here and look at herself in the mirror. It's one of her favorite things to do. So this mirror at the very bottom at Emmy level gets quite filthy. That is going to be it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and got some good deep cleaning motivation. If you liked it, please show me by giving me a big ol' thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you have not already, that way you don't miss any of the videos we have coming up. Don't forget to check out Lull. I have a link in the description for $50 off. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.